was really good, and especially if you don't like the idea of sitting there and flipping individual pancakes, or you just want a single serve pancake, I really think you guys will like this method. And it reminded me of a recipe that I made a long time ago that I used to make very often, but I've kind of forgot about, and it's my mini pancake muffins. These have very wholesome ingredients, and it's great because you just pour the pancake batter into a muffin tin. It all bakes at once, so again, you're not sitting there and flipping individual pancakes, and you end up with these fluffy kind of silver dollar pancakes that are great for meal prep. So if you like the idea of meal prep breakfast recipes or just easy breakfast recipes that you can make on the weekends, I really think you guys will like it. So I'll go ahead and link that below. But today I'm gonna do some spring cleaning, like deep cleaning the house. Also gonna be making Nicholas's Easter basket. I got some vegan candy and vegan chocolate bunnies to put together a little Easter basket, so we'll do that today. And I'm really excited about dinner tonight too, because I'm gonna be trying something new. It's kind of a plant-based take on nachos, and I think it's gonna be really good. It's something I've never done before, so I'm excited to try that with you guys later on tonight. But now, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on cleaning, and I might need another coffee based on what you just saw. Okay, I don't know if I mentioned this, but it is a very dark and rainy gray day today. It's very cloudy, which I like personally because it's very cozy for a cleaning day, but it might make the video a little bit grainy, so I hope this video looks okay for you guys. But I wanted to show you these reusable dusters that I just got. I've never tried them before, but they're for the Swiffer duster, and I love this thing because it extends and you can bend it like this so that you can get the tops of things. It's a very handy thing. But instead of the disposable wipes that go on this, I found these little cleaning cloths, and you should be able to just slide them on. Yeah, you can slide them on. And then you just do your dusting, and then when you're done, you can just take this off, throw them in the wash, and reuse them. So a bit more eco-friendly. I also have these microfiber cleaning cloths. These are so handy. I use these all the time, even just in like regular everyday cleaning when I'm tidying up the kitchen and stuff. They are really nice because they don't scratch, but they really scrub at the same time. They've got a nice texture, and they hold a lot of dust and stuff, so it doesn't all go flying when I'm dusting. So I love using these, even on like mirrors or windows and stuff. I will use these, and I find that they work really well. So I've got my supplies here, and if I can find a link, I will link them down below for you guys. Nicholas's Easter basket, and the first thing are these Lindt chocolate bunnies. These are the dark chocolate ones. The milk chocolate ones are not vegan, but the dark chocolate ones are. So I love putting these in Easter baskets, and I think they taste really good too. I actually got one for myself also. I also got these gummies. These are the sour ones, and then I also got these. I haven't had either of these flavors yet, but I have had gummies from this brand. They make a lot of vegan-friendly gummies, and I tried them, like a sample bag of them, at a vegan event I went to in LA a couple of years ago, and I really, really liked them. So excited to try these, even though technically they're for Nicholas. I'm gonna try them too. And then I wanted to get him something that wasn't food related and something kind of silly that I don't think he would buy for himself, but I know that he'll really like, and it is this head scratcher. I'll put a picture right here. It also comes with a rake that you can scratch your back with, and I think he's really gonna like it. I know his uncle has one of these and he's liked it, but he's never gotten one for himself, and I think it'll just be a nice, fun thing to put into the gift basket. So I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling this and then hide it so that he doesn't see it before Easter. raining. I'm eating chocolate. Got some chocolate covered date bark here. It's just a layer of dates, a layer of peanut butter, a layer of chocolate, and I use the Enjoy Life chocolate, and then I sprinkle some sea salt on top, cut it up, put it in the freezer. So good. I'm gonna have some of these and then I'm gonna get to cleaning the kitchen. And I'm gonna get started on dinner. I'm gonna make it's kind of a version of potato nachos, which is something I like to make, but these are smashed potatoes, and so they're more like almost like little taco boats, like mini taco boats. I'm gonna take some potatoes and parboil them and then use the bottom of a glass or a bowl to smash them, and that kind of flattens them out so you can put toppings on top, but it also creates kind of an irregular texture on top, which allows it to get really nice and crispy in the oven. So I think it's gonna be good. We're gonna put taco toppings, nacho toppings on top, and I'm going to make some taco meat using the Abbott's ground beef. I really love Abbott's chorizo and the ground beef. They're really versatile and I think they have really good ingredients. So I'm gonna do that and black beans, and that will be dinner. Just fell asleep on the couch because I am so tired, but dinner was really good, and it ended up being kind of a knife and fork situation, which I didn't really anticipate. I didn't realize that my potatoes, once you smash them down, were going to be very big actually, because when I've had smashed potatoes in the past, they're usually quite small, but these were really big. So it's kind of a cross between potato nachos and like a loaded taco stuffed baked potato, and then kind of with the tortilla chips on the side, you kind of scoop it as you go. I loved it, so I would definitely recommend trying that meal if you want to do something a little bit different. And if you want some more What I Eat in a Day videos, I will put them on the screen so you can go ahead and watch those. I'm gonna wash my face and get ready for bed, and I will see you in a video very soon. Bye.